it's me, Miss Hawk, and today we are going to be working on the one and only Ivan vocabulary, pages 188 to 221. Make sure you grab your folder that has this assignment in it, a glue stick, and a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video and go grab everything you need. Now that you're back and ready to work, make sure you put your name at the very top of the paper so we know who completed it. All right, I hope you're ready. The first word is coincidence. Can you think about what coincidence might mean? Well, if you said a concurrent of events without apparent causal connection, you'd be right. Let's go ahead and glue the definition next to the word. If I were to use coincidence in a sentence, I would say, the rabbit and cat look alike by coincidence. So your paper should look just like this. All right, grab the picture of the cat and the rabbit and glue it next to the definition. Because the rabbit and the cat look alike by coincidence. Your paper should look like this. All right, the next word is puny. Have you heard this word before? Puny? Well, puny means small or sick looking. Let's glue it down. Okay, can you pick a picture that best represents the word puny? And remember, puny means small or sick looking. I picked the puppy. Look how small or puny he is. Let's glue it down. If I were to use puny in a sentence, I would say, Ruby looks puny compared to Ivan. All right, your paper should look just like this. The next word is principles. And no, not like the principal of our school, but principles mean what you believe in or morals. Let's glue it down. Okay, your page should look just like this. What you believe in or morals. Let's pick the picture that says obey the rules, because people who have good morals or good principles always obey the rules. Do you have a set of principles that you abide by? All right, your paper should look just like this. The next word is monstrosity. Say it out loud. Monstrosity. Monstrosity. What does monstrosity mean? Can you guess? Well, if you said anything along the lines of huge, too big, or obnoxious, you would be right. Let's glue the definition down. three pictures that are left, which one best represents a monstrosity? Would it be the man that's shocked? Or would it be the really large dog? If you pick the really large dog, you're right. Let's glue it down. Some people think gorillas are a monstrosity. Do you think that? Okay, so your paper should look just like this. The next word is dismay. Now that is an unusual word, dismay. Dismay means not believing what is happening. Have you ever been in a state of dismay? When I first read about Stella passing away, I was in a state of dismay because I could not believe what was happening. Grab your picture of the guy who looks super shocked or in a state of dismay. Let's glue it down next to the definition. All right, your paper should look just like this. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video or rewind. All right, our very last word is temperamental. Have you ever heard of that word before? Temperamental? Temperamental means moody, happy one minute, or grumpy the next. Have you ever been temperamental? I have. I feel like we all have. All right, the very last picture. Do you see all of those faces that represent feelings or emotions? Can you see how that would describe what temperamental means? Let's glue it down next to the definition. Sometimes Ivan can be temperamental. I can relate to Ivan sometimes. Can you? Okay, our final product of our vocabulary page should look just like this. Make sure your name is at the top of the paper. And I really appreciate everything that, all of your effort that you put in today. Thank you so much for listening. You have a good day.